Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In previous video I walked you through how to get best data for your Power BI model. In this video I will show you how to clean data that we got from ChatGPT and how to build a model. So in order to do that we will use Power Query. To open Power Query, click on Transform Data in Power BI Desktop. Okay, and here we are in Power Query. On the left side in Queries pane, we can see a list of tables that we have imported, but none of them has name. So our first step will be to rename them. And because all tables are named as sheet 1 and we do not know correct name of each column, we will use Advanced Editor to check exact table name. So here let's click on the Advanced Editor, and as we can see, name of this table is Airport Dimension. So let me copy this, close, double click on the table and paste. Let's repeat same step for all other tables. Select table, go to Advanced Editor and copy table name, Control C, double click and Control V. Now when we have all table names, we will start with cleaning data. Let's start with first table in our list, and that is Airports Dimension table. In this table we do not have column titles because column titles are in our first row. And you will see this case very often, and best way how to resolve this is by using Use First Row as a header option. And we can apply that option by using this table in top left corner. Click on it and select Use First Row as a headers. Okay, and it works. So I assume that situation is same in all other columns. So let's repeat that step in other columns. Okay, here Power BI recognized column titles. Let's check for flights fact table. It didn't. So let's repeat this step. Use first row as headers. Now let's go back to first table again. Now let's check for data types. Airport ID, usually ID columns consist from letters and numbers, and in this case we will use text type. If you have only numbers in your ID column, I suggest you to use whole number type. Now let's go check next column. Airport name is text type, city same, country ID text type, airport code text type. Okay, we have latitude and longitude. These fields are useful for a map visualizations, runways, and airport type international. Okay, let's move to our next table, country dimension. Let's check country ID, text type. Okay, we cannot convert it to whole number because it has letters, country name, continent, region, country code, population is in whole number format, that's good. Area is in whole number format, time zone, okay, language. Okay, and here we have GDP in dollars, so we will change type from whole number to fixed decimal number because this format is used for currencies. Let's add a new step, and any new step we make will be listed in Applied Steps pane on the right side. I think that's all for this table. Let's go to our fact table. ID is good, flight date is date type, it's good. Departure airport ID, arrival ID, okay, country ID, passenger count is whole number format. Revenue, let's change that just revenue to fixed decimal number. Add a new step. In next table everything looks fine. Power BI recognized column types, and let's check our last table. Staff ID, first name, last name, role, gender, date of birth, hire date, experience in years, and airport ID. Salary, okay, we can change salary to fixed decimal number. Add new step. Okay, now let's close this. Select close and apply, and our model is loaded. Now let's go to model view, and here are our tables. So the best practice is to build star schema. By star schema we are referring to having one fact table and other dimensional table connected to that one fact table using one-to-many relationship. And let's move this. Let's move our fact table to the middle, and because we know that all these tables are dimensional, we will put them side. Like this, fact table should always be in the middle. Dimension tables, they should be up or down below fact table. Now in country dimension table we have country ID. Now let's check, do we have country ID in our fact table? Okay, we have it. We can create relationship between these two tables just by dragging and dropping column names one on top another like this, and we will get this pop-up window. Columns we want to connect are grayed out. Country ID, cardinality, so relationship is one-to-many, that's good, and direction is single. So this is the best relationship that you can have. By best, I'm referring to one-to-many cardinality and single direction. Okay, let's click on save. There is another way to create a relationship. Select manage relationship, click new relationship and choose. First, let's choose dimension table. We have airports dimension. The dimension table must have a unique ID column. By unique, I'm referring that each row in this table must be unique. We cannot have duplicates nor blank values. In that case, we won't be able to create one-to-many relationship. Now let's select our fact table and let's find airport ID. Here we have airport ID listed twice. In this case, we will connect, you can use any of them. Let's choose arrival airport ID, click on save. And we will have to create one more inactive relationship because we do have two airport ID columns in one fact table. So let's choose airport ID, fact table, and now let's choose departure airport ID. And this relationship will be inactive, but if you want to calculate data based on this relationship, there is a DAX formula, use relationship, that can be used within calculate function. Now let's finish creating relationships. Select manage, new relationship, and we have airport, country, plane. Okay, let's find plane dimension. There it is, plane ID, and let's check, do we have it in flights fact table? Okay, Power BI detected automatically. Cardinality one-to-many, single direction, that's good. Save. And the last table we have is staff dimension table. Let's check for staff ID. Here it is, and let's just drag and drop to our fact table staff ID column. It's not mandatory for columns to have same name. They can be titled differently. What is important is that the data has same structure in both tables. That's it. We created our model, and model like this is the best model you can get in Power BI. A model called star schema with one fact table in the middle and with dimension tables around it. And that's it for today's video. I walk you through how to clean data and how to build star schema model. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and like. See you in our next video where we will continue developing this Power BI dashboard. Bye.